In today's episode, we feature one of the leading minds in robotics, Dr. Cori Stewart. Cori is the founder and CEO of the Advanced Robotics Manufacturing Hub, also known as the ARM Hub, a non-for-profit company on a mission to digitally transform Australian industry. The ARM Hub specializes in AI, robotics, IoT, design and manufacturing, and collaborates with industry and research to modernize the manufacturing practice, building new manufacturing tech, commercializing R&D, and build workforce capability for today. So today we join Cori at their factory and makerspace here in Brisbane, Australia. Throughout her career, Cori has been a recognized leader in developing large-scale partnerships between industry, research institutions, government, and the community. Cori has previously held senior university appointments and government policy roles in industry development, the digital economy, creative industries, and innovation, just to name a few. So without further ado, Cori, welcome to Inspiring Design. All right, Cori, so welcome to Inspiring Design. Can we start off with a little bit of background on yourself? What's your story?
My story is I arrived at doing the ARM Hub from innovation policy and government and from working in design and creative industries. And I came into the university building collaborations, and I worked in across design, and we have a partner next door to where we are here in the ARM Hub called UAP, one of the world's best design-led manufacturing firms.